In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute a group chat on Facebook or it's Messenger, of course, because Messenger is the chatting application for Facebook. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Messenger or Facebook, you'd like to go and download them through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, that actually will be, oh, sorry. So that's actually will be your home or main screen. And if you want actually to mute a group chat, open the group chat that you want to actually mute. So if you want to do that, all you need to do, click at the messenger icon at the top right corner, and this will actually take you to Messenger. So here I already have a group chat here. So tap at the group chat that you want to mute for you. So that's for me. Tap then at the eye icon at the top right corner. Of course, here you'll find like several options. All you need to do, just go and click at notifications slash or and sounds. Then here, of course, you can just turn it off. You can like do interlay changes, and as you can see now, you will actually mute this group chat, and all messages or mentions, replies like will be off, like because you turned it off. Of course, if you want to turn off just like several things or specific things, just go turn them off here and choose like the time of turning them off. Like you can do this to whatever you want. Of course, if you want to turn off all of them, just go and click at this and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.